Your Ubuntu password is your first shield, guarding your files, apps, and system access. But what if it's weak, compromised, or just overdue for a refresh? Changing your password is quick and easy, and you don't need to be a Linux pro to do it. We'll show you two methods to do this, starting with the simplest one, using Ubuntu settings. Step 1. Go to Settings on your laptop. Scroll down and select System on the left panel. Step 2. On the right panel, select Users. Step 3. Select Password. Now, on the menu that comes up, enter your old password, then enter your new password. That's it. Your password is updated instantly. But if you prefer speed or you're working on a remote server, you can change the password via terminal. Here's how. Step 1. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus T to open terminal. Step 2. Enter the past command, then enter your current password. Step 3. Enter your new password, retype it again to confirm, then close the terminal. The change takes effect right away. And that's it. Two easy ways to update your Ubuntu password. The graphical settings menu for a simple click-through, or the terminal for quick command line changes. Updating your password regularly keeps your system safer, and it only takes a few seconds to do. Follow TechLoy for more tech guides.